Good morning to everyone. So today we have completed Fourier series, half range Fourier series. Today the last part of the Fourier series, that is practical harmonic analysis. Okay, so here in short I have given everything. Here this A naught by 2, this A naught by 2 is called as constant term a naught by 2 plus a1 cos x plus p1 sin x together with this is called as first harmonic. A naught by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x plus a2 cos 2 of x plus b2 sin 2 of x is called as second harmonic, is called as second harmonic. Yes, anybody? Hello, Rosa? Hello.
Yes, sir.
You are getting my voice?
Hello.
You are getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So, A naught by 2 plus A1 cos of x plus B1 sin x is called as first harmonic. Okay, so with that, if you take this a2 cos of 2x plus b2 sin of 2x is called as second harmonic. Suppose the length of the interval is 2 pi. Suppose the length of the interval is 2 pi, then a naught you calculate by using a naught equal to 2 upon capital N into summation of y. An is 2 by capital N summation of y into cos of nx. So Bn is 2 by capital N summation of y into sin of nx. Next, if the length of the interval is 2l, if the length of the interval is 2l, then En you calculate 2 by capital N summation of y cos n pi x divided by L. Bn is equal to 2 by N summation of y sin n pi x divided by L. Okay, so whenever the interval is 2 pi, apply these three, and here a naught is nothing but 2 by capital N into summation of y only. Okay, so when length of the interval is 2l, you apply these three formulas. Okay, so next thing is that okay, determine the constant term and first sine and cosine terms of Fourier series expansion of y from the following data. See, here we have to determine first constant term, next first sine and cosine, means what? First harmonic we have to calculate here using this data, given this table, using this table we have to get it. So next, it is in degree. Okay, it is in degree, x degree, 0, 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, 180 degree, 225 degree, 270 degree, 315 degree. If the things are in degree, calculate it in degree mode. If the things are in radian, calculate it in radian mode. Radian means if it is like 2 pi, 3 pi, 15 pi, 4 pi, if it is coming like pi, the values are here pi, the values are here pi. Okay, calculate in radian mode. So here it is in degree mode, so it is in degree mode, you can see this, it is in degree mode. So just we are calling it as 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, 180 degree, 225 degree, 270 degree, 315 degree, we call it as degree. So take it in the calculator degree mode only. Okay, so if it is in radian mode, so pi will come, so calculate it in radian mode, no problem. So here what is the total length of the interval? It is started with 0, it is started with 0, and here one more column will be there, that is for 360, so there 2 will be there, the value will repeat, the value will repeat, but 315 they have given you, no problem. So here that x, whatever this x is there, that x is lying between, starting value is 0, it ends with 360. Okay, so it is lying between 0 to pi or 0 to 360 degree. So length of the interval is 2 pi. So we have to find first harmonic, first sine and cosine terms. So here f of x is a1 cos x, f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. I told you a naught is nothing but whenever is 2 pi is there, length of the interval is 2 pi. So we have to use first formula, that is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x, where a naught is 2 upon capital N summation of y, a1 is 2 by n summation of y into cos x, b1 is 2 by n into summation of y into sin x. Here n is 8. How to get it? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. So 360 you should not consider here, even though if they are given you 360 you should not consider. Where the initial value is repeating, no, that you should not consider. Here they are not given you, it is well and fine. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore capital N is equal to 8. That's very important. Okay, so next thing is that x naught, this vertical things you write it horizontally, this vertical thing you write it horizontally. So one more thing I'll tell you, this column and this column, if you want write it, otherwise no need. Okay, so what I will write is that cos of x. See here everyone, I want y cos of x, y sin of x, because I want summation of those values, summation of that I want. So if you take y into cos of x, x is 0. So before to that, how one example I will give you in detail. So first I want cos x. First I want cos x. Take cos x. Next y cos x. Y cos x. Next I want sin x. Write sin x. Next I want y sin x. Y sin x. So next thing is that cos of x, cos of 0, 1, cos 45 degree. So please calculate it in degree mode only. That is 0.707. Cos 90 degree is 0. Cos 135 minus 0.707. You calculate it in calculator, you will come to know. Cos of 180 degree, cos 225 degree, cos 270, cos 315 degree. So this I am calculated in degree mode. So calculate it in degree mode. Okay, y cos x I want. So this is y and this is cos x. So everyone you can see here. Next I want y cos x. So this is y cos x. Multiply and write it here. This is y into cos x. Y into cos x. This into this. 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 You are going to get here. Okay. So I got it y cos x. Next sin x. X means already it is there here. X is there. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 45 sin 45 degree, sin 90 degree, sin 135, sin 180, sin 225, 270, 315. That everything you write it here. That you everything you write it. So next, in the next column, I want y into sin x. See friends, here y is there here, sin x is there here. You multiply this into this, 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 this into this. So you will get it these values. You will get it these values. Next, what I want? Summation of y I want. So summation of y in the sense adding this all, you'll get summation of y. Summation of y cos x. So this is y cos x. So you are going to get this. So this is summation of y cos x. Summation of y sin x. Add this full column. So you are getting summation of y into sin x. Okay. So the same values. Okay. You use here. So that is a naught is equal to 2 by 8. Summation of y is 8. So it get cancels. It get cancels. So you are getting 2. A1 is 2 by capital N is 8, summation of y into cos x is this much. When you multiply and divide it, you are going to get this. B1 is equal to 2 by 8, summation of y into sin x, that is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So there is same thing you substitute in equation 1. So f of x is equal to a naught divided by 2, that is 2 divided by 2 plus a1 0.853 into cos x plus b1, that is 0 into sin x. So 0 into anything is 0. So this is 1 plus 0.853 into cos of x, into cos of x. So this is what your first harmonic is. This is what your first harmonic is. So next, hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Hi, any doubts? Any doubts? Hello, Rosa.
No, sir.
Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
You can ask me, because on harmonic analysis, this is the
No,
last
sir.
class.
No,
Okay,
sir.
okay, fine. So next question is, find the second harmonic, or here actually I wrote it here second harmonic, but I given up to third harmonic. This is up to third harmonic is given. Up to normally third harmonic will not be asked, but let us try it. Okay, so y is equal to 0 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3, this is 2 pi. 1.98, 1.30, 1.05, 1.30, minus 0.88, minus 0.25, 1.98. This is the respective value they have given you. So next, what we have to do is that it is ranging from 0 to 2 pi. Always either 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 360. So here third harmonic in the sense a0, a1, b1, a2, b2, next a3, b3, up to third harmonic we have to find it. So a0 by 2, a1 cos x plus b1 sin x plus a2 cos of 2x plus b2 sin of 2x plus a3 cos of 3x plus b3 sin of 3x. So this is a formula for a0. This is a1, this is b1, this is a2, this is b2. N is equal to 6. So everyone you can see here, sir, here n is equal to 7 you write, because 1, see 1, 2, 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the thing is that I told you, so at the point 25 and at the point 0, the value is repeating. So any one value you have to neglect it. Any one value you have to neglect it. So what I will do is that, so this value I will neglect. This value I will neglect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So capital N is equal to 6 we are getting. So this you neglect it, please. This you neglect it. Okay, where the value is repeating, that value we have to neglect it. So next you can see here. So here x and y is given. So you can see here 0, pi by 3, pi means 180. 180 divided by 3 is what? See, this is pi by 3. 180 divided by 3. 3 ones are 360s are. Means it is, you can calculate it in degree. Convert it in degree, no problem. Okay. So otherwise directly you can take, as you have a calculator, directly you can do it. So next 2 pi by 3. 2, next is 2 into 180 divided by 3. 60s are, so 6 2s are 20. 120, sorry. 120 is the answer. Okay. So this is pi. Pi means 180. Okay, so next thing is that 4 pi by 3. So that is 4 into 180 divided by 3, 60. 240 is the answer. Okay, so they have converted it in degree so that everything you can see here. See, first one is 0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300. That everything I have calculated. So y remains as it is. This as it was in radian. So this was in radian. So they have calculated in degree. So even if you want to calculate in degree, you can calculate in degree. Or if you want to keep it in radian, keep it in radian. And in the calculator, please turn it to the radian mode. Okay. So next thing is that here y values are there. Here y values are y value is 1.98, 1.3, 1.05, 1.3 minus 0.88 minus 0.25. So summation of y is required. So summation, when you add this column, so you are getting 4.5. That's what he wrote it there. So directly we want y cos x, y cos 2x, y cos 3x, y sin x, y sin 2x, y sin 3x. So directly, so here he did not made cos x term, next y cos x, cos 2x, y cos 2x, cos 3x, y cos 3x, sin x, y sin x, sin 2x, y sin 2x, sin 3x, y sin 3x. So to reduce your burden, okay, directly he has taken y cos x, y cos 2x, y cos 3x, y sin x, y sin 2x, y sin 3x. This we can calculate directly. So y is the, what here? 1.98. Just if you have calculator, you can do it. 1.98 cos of x with respect to this x is 0. That is cos of 0. Cos of 0 is 1. 1 into 1.98 is 1.98. Similarly, y is, for the next one, here y is 1.3. Y is 1.3, 1.3 into cos of 60 degree. So 1.05 cos of 120 degree is this much. 1.3 into cos of 180 degree is this much. Minus 0.88 into cos of 240 degree is this much. Minus 0.25 into cos of 300 is this much. So similarly, 1.98 into cos of 2 into 0 is this much. Okay, so similarly, y into cos of 2x. So means first y is 1.98 cos of 2 into 0, 1.3 into cos of 2 into 60, 1.05 into cos of 2 into 120, 1.3 into cos of 2 into 180, minus 0.88 into cos of 2 into 240, minus 0.25 into cos of 2 into 300 will be this. So similarly, you construct the remaining thing. So if it is x, only x value take. If it is 2x, 2 into 0, 2 into 60, 2 into 120. So you are going to get these columns. you are going to get these columns. So after constructing the columns, okay, you can see the formula. After constructing the columns, you can see the formula. So a naught 2 by n summation of y is 4.5. So here the value, okay, so substitute a naught, a1, a2, a3, a4. Here summation of y you can calculate from the see here summation of y is 4.5. Summation of y cos x is 1.12. Summation of y into cos of 2x is this. Y into cos of 3x is this. Y into sin x is this. Y into sin 2x is this. Y into sin 3x is this. These are the values we are using for our simplification. So next, so you can summation of y, you write it this. Y cos x is this. Y cos 2x is this. Y cos 3x is this. Y sin 2x, y sin 2x, y sin 3x. So just to substitute using your calculator, write the answers, and everything you can write it here. Everything you can write it. So that is a naught by 2, a1 cos x plus b1 sin of x, a2 cos of 2x plus b2 sin 2x plus a3 cos of 3x plus b3 sin of 3x. So y is equal to 0.75. So a1 means you can write this cos of x, b1 sin of x, a2 value is this, b2 value is this, a3 value is this, b3 is 0. So I did not write it here. So any doubts? This is what the second example. Any doubts? Kapil? Kapil? Hello? 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 Hello?
Sir, voice is not clear.
One second. I am setting the things. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So that is what we have to calculate this third harmonic up to third harmonic. Okay, these all the values I substituted, I got the answer. So next, obtained constant term and the coefficient of first cosine and sine terms in the Fourier expansion of y from the table. So here y is x is equal to, they have given you x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4, x equal to 5. So respective value of y he has given you. Okay, so here everyone see here, so here values are not repeating. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So therefore n is equal to capital N is equal to 6, and the interval is between, earlier the interval was 0 to 360 or a 0 to 2 pi, but here it is 0 to 5, 0 to pi. Okay, so next, actually next value we should consider here. So okay, so here you can see length of the interval is 6 minus 0, that is 6. Therefore 2l is equal to 6. Therefore l is equal to 6 divided by 3. L is equal to 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay, so l is equal to, okay, l is equal to, so everyone 2l is equal to 6. Okay, so l is equal to 6 divided by 2, l is equal to 3, l is equal to 3. Okay, so next thing is that, okay, y equal to f of x, you can see this y equal to f of x. So a naught by 2 plus a n cos n pi x divided by L. So if you take 2L, 2L is equal to 6, L is equal to 3 here, right? So next question is, one second. So here write f of x, write f of x, this is what f of x, a naught by 2 plus summation of a n cos n pi x divided by L bn into sin n pi x divided by L. So L is equal to 3, substitute L is equal to 3. So a naught by 2 cos pi x divided by 3, because L is 3. Okay, so sin pi x divided by 3. Okay, because here we want first harmonic, so take n is equal to 1, take n is equal to 1, so only this summation sign has been removed. F of x is a naught by 2, n is equal to 1, L is equal to 3, that I have substituted and I got this. Okay, so therefore you can see here theta, that this is all not necessary, so take x, this is x, 0 1 2 3 4 5, and theta is nothing but pi x divided by 3. Oh shit. there they have given you directly. Here theta is nothing but pi x divided by 3. So y already they have given you. So here we want cos of theta y cos theta, sin of theta y sin theta, right? So summation of y is this. Theta means what? Theta, it is already pi x divided by 3, cos of pi x divided by 3, sin pi x divided by 3, y into sin pi x divided by 3, because theta, this theta is nothing but pi into x divided by 3, pi into x divided by 3. So therefore you write summation of y cos theta, summation of y sin theta. So a naught is 2 by n summation of y is 125, and write it, that is 41.67. a1 is 2 by n summation of y cos theta. So y cos theta is minus 25. So n is 1 upon 3. You write it there. Hello? 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 Kapil? Rosa? Rishikesh? Hello? So please substitute those values. Okay, so this value you substitute, y sin theta is this 1 upon 3. Okay, and then you can write the respective values. Constant term is this a naught by 2. So a1 is what? Minus 8.333, and sine term b1 is minus 1.555. So this is what you have to calculate. With this I have finished harmonic analysis. So any doubts? Hello? Hello? Doubts? Hello? Hello? Any doubts?